Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will read few lines on essay Silence is Gold. Let's get started. Speech is a great blessing of God. Everyone has the gift of speech, but it is rightly said that silence is gold. If each one of us begins to speak at the same time, nothing will be understandable. Therefore, we should know when we should remain silent. Silence is a quality of a good speaker. It is a great quality to be a good listener. A man who speaks too much is not liked much. Such a man exposes himself. Therefore, we should know when we should remain silent. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.